Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your Instagram followers list or following list. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I will give you an example. Here I have Instagram open. I'm in this page. You can see this is the National Geographic page. Then I can see followers and then following. At the top I can tap on following and see everybody that Nat Geo is following. So that's all public, and I'm able to see that partially because I follow Nat Geo. And now if you go into my profile here, you can also click on following and followers and see everybody that I'm following and who's following me. So the thing with Instagram, it's kind of default that you can see who's following them and their following list if you are following them and if you have access to their profile. So really the only way to limit people from seeing your followers list is to go into profile. Tap on the little there lines at the top right. Go into settings here, and then from there you will want to go into privacy. Then from there you will want to go into privacy right here, and then you'll see account privacy and you can turn that on. So one of the key things with this is if there's somebody specific that you don't want to be able to see who you're following, then you have to turn that on. But also you have to either restrict or remove them from following you. You can go back and you can go to restricted accounts here, and you can restrict an account. You can just hit continue and restrict an account, or you can just say go to, try to find somebody who might follow me back. Those are just fun accounts. So you can go, so this person you can go from following you can say restrict here or unfollow, and if you restrict or unfollow this person, then since you now have private account, they want to be able to see your followers list. But ultimately there's no way for you to have a public account and prevent somebody from seeing your following list that just default into Instagram. So there is no way around that. But hope this helps. Leave it any questions in the comments below and make sure to like to this video. Thanks.